just done our assessment.
Hi!
Hi! Hello!
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like us.
Hey!
T and Amy G, welcome back to our channel.
Shut down that room. Oh my god. Click. Hi! Best day ever. Can I do your intro?
Yeah, sure.
Hey guys, it's Terry T and welcome back to my channel. Today we've got our singing assessment.
I'm really excited. I've got a cold, so not that excited, but oh well.
You're so amazing. This is Sophie, everyone. She's so nice.
Hi. You're really nice too.
Hi everyone.
This is Ben.
How are you feeling, Ben?
Feeling great. Hey, we're all feeling great too.
I've got a cold, so I'm taking the Strepsils.
Woo! Everyone's got a cold.
I know, sore throat all the way.
What the hell? Hello. Hello. Today we have to do this.
One song.
Yeah, one at a time. Hi, Tamsin's vlog. This is Grace. She's literally amazing. Tamsin's gonna smash the singing assessment. So are you. You're literally so amazing. So is Tamsin. Me and Tamsin are acting really good, everyone. Yeah, we got some really good comments. Woo! This is my outfit. Wish me luck. Okay, we've done it.
We finished
Oh, these are cute.
Okay.
Say hi to the vlog. Hi. The vlog. Yes, guys.
It went really well actually, guys. Hi.
Hey guys, we just done our assessment. Well, we did it like 20 minutes ago. But Tamsin smashed it. Get her on Broadway. Get her on The Greatest Showman. Yeah, Greatest Showman. But shout out to 2A. Absolutely smashed it.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's such a nice day.
It actually is.
Right?
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Love and
We
peace
just smashed
and
our
all that
singing
nice
assessment.
stuff.
These guys just smashed their assessment.
Of course, we expect. I mean, queen shit.
Bye guys. Bye. So guys, I did it and it was so fun, and I mean I feel like it could have gone better, but you always feel that way, don't you? I'll update you later on.
What?
The vlog.
Oh,
Alex has returned.
I have. I'm coming back to my college.
Oh, she's singing assessment today.
Yeah.
Alex, I'm so sad for that.
We are having lunch.
Are they going to tell me?
Yeah.
Oh, I got halloumi fries and chips.
And how are they?
I'm really good.
I shared food with Ben.
Really? What did you guys get?
So we got panini, chips, halloumi fries, and chicken nuggets, and we're about to get some more.
That's cool. What did you get?
Absolutely nothing.
Oh, really? You on a diet?
Yes, dieting.
Wow, oh my gosh. You guys all look so perfect. Okay guys, just got my pizza. What are you drinking? Oh, cool. Okay guys, so here is my alcohol. Just kidding, it's just
No illegal drinking here.
yeah, so guys, here is my brownie because cookie dough is out of stock. You had that, didn't you? Was it yum? Cool. Do you have anything else to say? Oh my gosh, you guys, get this, it's so good. Wait, so you're Carla, right?
Yeah, I'm Carla.
Oh my gosh, I've seen you on Zoom.
I've never seen you in real life.
No, neither have I. Oh my gosh,
Just met.
this is so exciting.
So excited.
Oh my gosh, how was your day?
It was good, thank you. I had my singing assessment.
What song did you do?
Wait a bit from Just So.
Oh, I love that. I bet you sound amazing. And you are?
I'm Zach.
Hi, Zach.
Are you okay?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
How did it go, your assessment?
Really good. It was really hot in the room we were in.
Yeah, it was so hot. What room were you in? 9.
Next to the library.
Oh, I was in that one.
Yeah, it was really hot.
Oh.
It was good. How was yours?
Yeah, it was alright.
What did you say?
Just right.
Just alright.
What did you do?
I sang Purpose and Avenue Q.
Oh wow. Thanks guys for making the vlog. Do you have anything else to say?
No, like and subscribe,
Yeah,
guys.
like and subscribe.
Down below.
Yay, thanks guys. you look so beautiful.
You can put my name down right now.
So good. How was your assessment?
So good. I think we all went in and smashed it, and everybody's just so relieved that it's over, and we're just ready for the next one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking it's kombucha, it's interesting. Healthy though, good for the gut.
You got fish?
It's a very vegan thing. Disgusting, but that's alright.
Well, I mean, at least it's healthy. Let's feel good for drinking.
That's in that video. I'm just going for you, mate.
Is it me?
Guys, it's Tasha T and Amy G. Welcome back to our channel.
You know my rolls?
Huh? Are you not in bar arts?
Got a little. Oh, Tash, we got matching.
Ching ching, thanks for coming.
Thanks for joining. We are tired.
Don't you think Melody's such a bitch? Yes.
Mel's got 2 drinks. She's really going hardcore tonight.
And here's Tammy T.
Tammy T sat on the other table. There she is! She's having her lads night out.
Where's this going?
YouTube.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, they're married everyone. Where's your ring?
like,
I can't show you it, it's too tight.
is it like that show? It was like this where P and K hosted it.
Hi. Hey guys, this is Chloe and Tash. They're both amazing.
Hi, I'm Georgie. Hi.
Hi Georgie, it's so nice to meet you. You look amazing. And this is Bradley.
Hey.
Bradley is just like a king and a star and just a shining sun. A shining sun.
Who are you?
Oh my god, you can be the moon. I
I'll be the moon, you be the sun.
Because then we like go together. Like,
Yeah, we revolve around each other.
yay! Yeah. Let's say hi to Zach again. Yeah, what have you got? What are you doing?
I've got gin and I've got some shots. My brother got me.
Oh, really? What's your brother?
My brother's called Aiden.
Ooh. Tell Aiden I said hi.
Okay.
I have a brother, I have a twin brother.
How old you? Oh wait, you're 20 or 16.
Hey vlog! Look at this amazing mirror and look how amazing Melody is. She is literally a queen. Oh yes, strap down that room. Oh my god. Whoa.
This is my drinky poo. This is my bestie poo.
Wait, I thought I was your bestie.
You're my best friend and also me because I'm like, ooh. Tell me the light that old TV too.
Oh my gosh, Melody.
I can't really still right now.
Okay, I have my eyes. Hi guys, this is Tom.
Hi, please like, comment and subscribe.
Yeah, do what he said.
I'm from Birmingham. Interview me, ask me some questions.
Okay.
I did my singing assessment. I sang Purpose from Avenue Q.
Oh,
I'm
that's
not gonna lie.
so good.
Oh, darling,
Wow, it went good, did you say?
it went okay.
Wow, that's so good.
Yeah, how was your singing assessment?
It was really good. I felt like it could have gone better, but it was really fun.
Yeah, but the thing is with life, it can always go better. But just because it can go better doesn't mean it wasn't good.
Yeah, that's so true. But the main thing is that I had fun.
Exactly.
Did you have fun?
No.
Well, I hope you have fun next time.
I always have fun.
Good luck for your dance assessment.
Thank you. This has been Thomas Brooks. At my Instagram, it's Tom_Brooks_. I'm going to be famous one day, and then it'll be great. You'll look back on this video and be like, oh, I remember him. Bye.
Click. Hi, Vlog. Okay, guys, so we are at Alex's house. It is so cool. It is literally like a mansion, and we are here now. Say hello, everyone.
Hi.
And we're all pretty tired, aren't we?
No.
I mean, I'm not really that tired, but everyone else is.
And sleep.
Good night. See you all in the morning.
Bye vlog. Good night vlog.
So this is Alex's house, it's so amazing, and this is Alex.
I'm Alex and I'm also amazing.
You're also amazing, and you're my #1 subscriber.
I am, but also, can you give a shout out to Ellie Trent, my friend?
Oh yes! Oh my gosh! Hi Ellie, if you're watching.
Can you shout out to my friend?
And Liv.
Can you shout out to my friend? I want my friend to shout out.
And Liv.
Can you give a shout out to my friend Molly Greenhouse? Hi Molly.
Hello, shout out to you, Molly Greenhouse.
And Sam Rogers.
Hello Anthony and Sam Rogers. You are amazing, and I really hope you achieve your dreams.
I'm getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. that pussy.
Hey!
Hello vlog. Hello vlog.
So guys, me and Arlette are going to get our train together because Arlette is going back to, where are you going?
Manchester.
So that's where she lives, and she's going back home. I'm not. I'm staying here because, stay tuned for next week's vlog. I'm going to see my first musical. So stay tuned for that. Wait. I'll try. Hey vlog. Bye Sika.
Bye vlog. Tammy T's the best ever.
No, Arlette's the best ever. Get home safe. Bye. Hey guys, just arrived back home. Oh my gosh, that's my song. Why did I say that? Just got back home, but it was literally the best day ever. Even though I feel like I could have done my song better, I feel like I did try my best. And at the end of the day, that is all you can really do. When I was doing it, I literally forgot about everything, and I was literally not stressed at all. And all my worries went away. Hakuna Matata means no worry. Yeah, I was just having fun, and just that's really why I'm doing this anyway. Like, why be stressed when you can have fun, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna go sleep now because I'm so tired.
Thanks for vlog. I hope you have a good day today. Thanks for watching. Can this be the end? Guys for watching. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Like, comment, subscribe for more.
Thinking about what's mine, nothing to deny. Who's that other guy? Are you wasting my time? All these crazy fears.